Nothing quite says homemade comfort like a jar of freshly made apple jam. The aroma of warm spices and sweet, tart apples fills the air, instantly conjuring up images of cozy kitchens and family gatherings. And the taste? It's pure perfection, a symphony of flavors that's both familiar and exciting. Today, we will embark on a culinary adventure to create a jar of apple jam infused with the warm, comforting aroma of cinnamon. This easy recipe is the perfect way to preserve the essence of autumn in your kitchen, all year round. As the apples simmer and the flavors meld together, we'll capture the essence of autumn in a jar of jam that's perfect for spreading on toast, filling pastries, or layering between layers of cake. It's a treat that's sure to warm your soul and bring a touch of sweetness to your day. So, gather your ingredients, put on your aprons, and let's get started. We're about to create a jar of apple jam that will become a cherished part of your autumn tradition. Did you know that you can scale the recipes on our website to the number of servings you like? On our website, you can also view the video as well as print out the scaled recipes. This unique feature will help you scale the recipes to your desired servings or hotness. This recipe will make 2 jam jars.
Take 1 kilogram of peeled and sliced apples in a pan. Cover and let cook over medium heat for about 25 minutes, till the apples are soft. Stir to turn over after about 10 minutes. Cover and let cook. After a total of 25 minutes, uncover and check that the apples are nicely soft. Mash the apples with a potato masher.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Pressing the bell icon ensures you are kept up to date on all new videos.
Reduce the heat to low. Add half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. Add half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Stir to mix well.
Add 500 grams of sugar, slowly, mixing well. Cook on low heat, stirring, till the mixture is nice and thick. It takes about 40 minutes to reach the desired thickness. Make sure to keep on stirring, giving small breaks. Cook on low heat, stirring, till the mixture is nice and thick. Leave to cool down. Once the mixture is cold, add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and mix well. Enjoy on bread, as a filler for cakes, or mix in yogurt for a delicious dessert.